Hi, this is Alyssa Apel with Planet of the Apels, and I'm here today to tell you a little bit about La Dermy New 100% pure certified organic argan oil. And what I love this for is straightening out the little hairs that stick up on my hair. And then I also use it for eczema on my boys and a lot of other things to strengthen nails. You can use it for. You can use it for just even dry skin. You can purchase this on Amazon for $79.95. That is the list price, but it's actually on sale right now for $24.95. I will have a link to their Amazon page below this review, as well as a link to the post where you can read the full review on my blog. So I would strongly recommend getting this. This is 100% pure, certified organic oil, and you don't always know what you're buying, so this is a great thing to get. And you can always tell by the scent, as well as the scent, and also if it feels like oil on the skin. That's another sign that is 100% argan oil. Well, I strongly recommend going to my blog and checking this out, as well as going to their Amazon page for purchasing this. Thank you for your time. Goodbye.